Hello.
Hi guys, how are y'all?
In the classroom.
We're happy to be in the classroom. Okay, Miss Benson, this one's yours.
Okay. First question says, which graph represents a function? And there's one simple way that we can test all of these.
What is that?
The vertical line test.
Are you kidding? Vertical line.
So all you have to do to tell if a graph is a function is draw a vertical line through it or drag something across your across the question. But we can't do that because we're in the camera. So
yeah, I'm drawing vertical lines right now, Miss Benson.
Yes.
I got to draw vertical lines everywhere.
Did you do them all?
I did them all.
Okay, so on choice A, how many times did the vertical line touch the graph?
Let me see. I'm going to put a red dot there. It touched it one time.
That's a good sign. That means it's a function, but let's make sure Ms. Benson didn't mess up this question.
Okay.
How many times did your vertical line touch the graph on choice B?
Oh, it touched it twice.
Oh, that means it is not a function.
It is not. How about C? Twice again.
Not a function.
Nope. Let me try D. Twice.
Not a function. So it is A. A is a function.
A is a function. Very, very good. Let's go to the next one. This says identify each relation that appears to be a function. So if it says each, that means there's going to be more than one. So I'm going to draw lines and see. I'm going to draw a line here. I'm going to draw a vertical line on every single problem, and then we're going to go back and identify them. Because we know that in our vertical line test, if it touches the graph one time, it's a function. But if it touches the graph two or more times, it's not a function. Okay? So let's look here at the first graph. It touches once, so that is a function. I'm going to put a check mark by it. On the second graph, going to the right, it touches once. So that is a function. I'm going to put a check mark. Uh-oh. Third graph touches 1, 2, 3 times. No way, Jelly Bean. That is not a function. The next one down at the bottom, first one in the second row, 2 times. Not a function. The second one, it touches once. So it's a function. And then that last one touches 1, 2 times. Not a function. So you have 1, 2, 3 that are a function in this problem. You just have to remember that vertical line test. Okay, I'm going to do the next one. Which set of ordered pairs is not a function? All right, to be a function, every single x value has to be different. Okay? Y values don't matter. Did I do that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, okay, except the doggy's barking in the classroom. I see. So we're going to look at the first one, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually get rid of the y values, so that way we don't even have to look at them. My y values. Okay. For it to be a function, all of the x's have to be different. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a function, but we're looking for the one that is not a function. So let's look at the second one. I'm going to mark out the y's because we don't want to deal with them. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of all the y values, and then we'll just look at the x's. All right, x values, -2, 4, 2, and 1. Those are all different, so that is a function. So that's not the one we're looking for. So for C, I'm going to mark out the y values again, because y values do not matter when we're looking for a function. It's all about the x's. 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all different, so that is also a function. We better check that last one. I'm going to get rid of the y values because the y values do not matter when we're looking at it to be a function or not. Okay, so we have -2, 1, -2, and 1. We have 2 repeats. So that one is not a function. So that is the one that we're looking at. And if you get confused, just remember, if you have 4 choices, the one that's different, that's going to be your answer. Okay?
Excellent strategy.
That way. All right, Miss Benson's going to do the last one for you.
Okay, so this one's got all different kinds of things. So we'll just go through each one and talk about how to check each one.
Okay.
So we'll check the question says, which represents a function? So we'll check A the way that Ms. Voss just did the last question. We can cross out the y values because we don't care about those.
I'm crossing out the y values because we do not care about those at all. Okay, they're gone.
And then just look at the x's, and the x's are 2, 4, 0, -2. Dang, that looks good.
That's good. So that's a function. I'm going to put a yes by it.
Okay, let's check the others because we need to know how to do all the different kinds.
Okay, can we go to B?
Yeah, that's what I was going to do.
I'm going to get rid of the y's. Is that all right?
Yep.
The y's don't matter.
So just look at the row that says X, and it's
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 3, and another 1. Not good.
Not good. That had repeats, so that is not a function. Right?
Correct.
Put a big old X on that one.
Good.
Okay, let's go to C.
Let's do C. C is a graph, so we can use a vertical line test.
Okay.
But you will have to draw the line. Probably to be safe, you should draw it everywhere that there are points,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
And guess what? One of my vertical lines went through 2 points.
Right. So that means it's not a function.
Not a function. Not at all. Okay, on D, I'm going to get rid of the y's again.
Perfect. Just look at the x's, and they are 3, 0, -3, and then another 0.
So that messes it up again. Got to mark it out. So that means that the one that represents a function is A. Isn't that right? Yep.
Perfect.
Okay, everybody, we're going to say goodbye now until tomorrow. If you need to
Bye.
call us, text us, FaceTime us, email us, whatever, and we will be here to help you. We love you guys.
Love you. Mwah.
Bye.